Health plus technology, that's India's healthcare revolution in action. HealthTech is transforming the way India gets treated, making world-class care accessible like never before. Today, I'll take you through why India could be the world's next medical AI powerhouse. So who's leading health tech globally? In the US, you've got AI diagnosis and robotic surgery reshaping medicine. Europe is all about digital records and e-health systems. But Asia is rising fast. India and China are capturing the world's attention. But here's the thing, India's big advantage is affordability and scale. Let's zoom into India. Our health infrastructure is vast and growing over 160,000 sub-centers, 31,000 PHCs, and 6,000 CHCs across the country. Cities like Varanasi have 104 NQAS certified centers. Mizoram boasts 11 high-quality health centers. Delhi has just added 33 Ayushman clinics, while Karnataka now has chemo centers in 16 districts. And it's not only for us, India is a true medical tourist magnet. Every year, over 500,000 foreign patients come here, making this a $7.7 billion industry in 2024. Top source countries? Bangladesh, the US, and the UK. Chennai, for example, is a hub. Mayot Hospital alone sees 3,500 foreign patients each year. Why do they choose India? Simple, costs are a fraction of the West, our doctors are world-class, and AI integration is accelerating. We've got over 1,400 NABH certified and 40-plus JCI accredited hospitals, proving our global standards. The future. Think Digital India and AI-powered doctors. Telemedicine, smart bots, and Indian doctors are now working hand-in-hand with technology. Here's a quick snapshot. More than 80,000 health and wellness centers, 638 digital hospitals, and counting. Infrastructure? Check. AI readiness? Check. Global trust? Absolutely. Is AI the new doctor in India? Comment below and let's discuss. Thanks for watching. Follow at Angel Technologies for more tech that matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.